Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the OBS Virtual Camera on OmeTV. So quick note before we start, I can't show you the exact steps on my screen because some things don't work on my side. So I'm just going to walk you through it and make sure to listen carefully. So using OBS with OmeTV is really helpful if you want to use a video or custom scene from OBS instead of your normal webcam. So first, open any browser on your PC and search for OmeTV. Open the OmeTV website, then minimize your browser. Next, open your device manager on your PC and find your integrated camera. If you have one, disable it so that your computer will use the OBS Virtual Camera instead. And then after that, open the OBS Studio, add a new source, and choose either video capture device or media source. So in here, we'll use a video file as the source. So when that's ready, click Start Virtual Camera in OBS. Now go back to your browser. Open your browser settings, search for camera, and select the camera that uses the OBS Virtual Camera. Then return to the OmeTV website. So on the right side window where the camera appears, select the same OBS Virtual Camera. And then after that, you can start streaming with your OBS setup on OmeTV. So thank you so much for watching, and for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button.